Good morning friends. Today I will be showing the Noukasana, which is also known as the boat pose. Now the limitation that like we always speak of this asana is that people having backbone problem should not do this asana. Then hernia problem people also should not do. Ulcer having problem should not do. And abdominal surgery people should not do. The benefits of this asana is that it is good for the constipation problem, then it is good for intestine, then liver, stomach, pancreas and spleen, the whole area of our stomach region, it is good for that. Then it is also good for problems such as anorexia and dyspepsia. So let us do this asana. So for that we have to lie down and bring our hands above the head, join them and elevate them, and at the same time we will elevate our legs also. So this pose, it looks like a boat, so that is why it is known as Noukasana. So if you have abdominal problem and liver spleen related problem, then you can do this asana. Thank you for watching this video.